right away. This is for Subway. $8 going 2.5 miles.
Got a DoorDash?
Yeah, for Jesse. I got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 2 miles, 4 items. Two of these.
Scan it now. Scan it now.
Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $17 going 9 miles, 6 items.
For items without barcode, 9. If you have your scan it now, 99. Drop off on the right.
These are all the back sides of the buildings, so definitely not dropping off over here.
Pickup at Walmart.
$12 going 4 miles. Is it just that?
Yeah, already. That's all yours.
Thank you. Yep, you too. Looks like my guy couldn't find his reading glasses because we got 2 pairs. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, I believe. This is going to be $22 going 10 miles, only 1 item. Oh, that's hilarious. That is just straight up funny. They don't have it. A lot of slipping, a lot of sliding.
Yeah.
And there's just a signature in that box for me. Just got the next order. We are going to El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This is going to be $10 going 6 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a Voodoo Donut, $9 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Would you like a donut?
I'll take anything. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Donut! Free donut!
Oh, thank
Scared
you.
me.
Thank you.
Freaking jump scare, bro. What the heck? Oh, and I almost forgot. Look at that beauty. Just got the next order. This is going to be for IHOP. $9 and some change going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Of course.
Meet at door, huh? Okay. They got the wrong address on there.
Fine.
All right, all good.
Thank you so
Yep.
much.
Thank you, thank you.
Have a good day. Next up, Starbucks, $7 and some change, going 2.5 miles.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Next up, shop and deliver for alcohol, $9.50 going 2 miles, only one item. And then just a scribble on that line for me. Okay, time to go home. Current time is 10:43. Current total is, I believe, 101. And I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips. So that should bring it up to like 110, 112-ish. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.